I-Reggae Nation is backstage. Reggae Sumfest 2013. Octane gave a most scintillating performance. But the talk of the night is Lady Saw and her last performance at Reggae Sumfest. Lady Saw moves on to do gospel music. I'm here with one of the patrons who wants to give me her opinion on Lady Saw's performance and the fact that this year's is Lady Saw's last performance at Reggae Sumfest. Hi, what go on?
Lady Saw did a fabulous job, and trust me, she will be missed. But I guess she's going on the right path now since she served so many years in the dancehall scene. So I must congratulate her, and she did a great job tonight, of course. And I-Octane took it, of course.
Octane took it, of course, and that you say. Are you proud of Octane? Octane taking the clothes?
Of course, he came from far, you know, and to see him come out now and end the show, actually close the show, it's a big accomplishment, trust me, and I'm proud of him. Love you, I-Octane.
Will you be here for the rest of Sumfest? Tomorrow night and Thursday, Saturday night?
Not sure, but I'll try.
Make sure you're coming out. Yeah. See ya. All right, that's some views from one of the patrons at Reggae Sumfest 2013 Dancehall Night, giving her views on Lady Saw's last performance at Reggae Sumfest. I-Octane is out.